This short video is to show you how to change the battery in the key fob in your keyless ride ignition on your BMW motorcycle. Because one day you're going to be driving along, you'll get this warning sign saying your battery's down to 50%. Now I do want to point out that I've been driving around for hours just waiting for that exact moment, just to show you. Anyway, at this point you just get yourself to the local supermarket, pick yourself up a set of 2032 batteries, and you're all set to go. Get yourself home, and of course you can either do the battery replacement right away, but you've been thinking, well, I've had this bike for 6 or 9 months, surely I don't need to replace it. Well, you wouldn't believe it, I'm out riding today, and the battery in the key has just decided that it's got to about its lowest point. So I got this message come up on my TFT screen just as I was about to head off with the guys. Fortunately, I had remembered to pack a spare set of batteries with me, but we were just about to take off on another leg of the ride, so I thought, well, I'll have to sort that out when I get to the next point. So an hour or so later, we stopped on the side of the road, and I was able to do the battery change on the side of the road. You open up the key, but of course don't drop the battery because it's going to fall in the mud. You don't need any tools to do this, so don't go poking around with a screwdriver or anything like that, because the battery compartment is easily accessible just by prising it open. Here's a close-up view of just how you go about doing that. It just pops off with a little bit of force, and then really need to get in there with some longer fingernails and just pick the battery out, ready to replace it with the new fresh battery. So get that fresh battery, slide it in there, make sure the polarity is the right way around, and it just drops straight in. And then just seal up the battery compartment with the cover, making sure you've got it the right way around. It gives it a weatherproof seal. Snap it in place, it just clicks together, and you're just about ready to go. So you get the key, you drop it back in your pocket, and now you're ready to hit the trails with the guys. And when you start the bike up, you'll notice that the TFT message has cleared, and you're all set to go. I don't know how long the battery will last, but I got about 6,000 kilometers out of my first battery. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe now and let's ride.